Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we are doing another unboxing. Yes, another unboxing. We are looking at a little game that I had heard about, hadn't played, hadn't seen anywhere, but I did finally get it to play it on Friday night when I was over at Scragg's. I enjoyed it, Ali enjoyed it, so I thought, what the heck, I'll buy it. This is Quirkle. It's kind of similar from what I imagine games like Scrabble would be, but instead of using letters you've got tiles with colours and shapes on. So let's turn it over and have a look. And it says here, Quirkle is as simple as matching colours and shapes, but it also requires tactical manoeuvres and a well-planned strategy. Players score points by creating lines of tiles that are all the same colour or all the same shape without duplicates. Create a line of 6 and you score a Quirkle. So it's a game for 2 to 4 players, ages 6 plus. The contents are 108 wooden tiles, a drawstring bag and rules. Ali's just having a bit of a cough, so she's gone into another room. So let's open up and see what's inside. This is not going to be a long video because there's only so many black tiles with shapes and colours on it that you can see, but it's going to be a good one. So this is the bag you get. All the tiles go in this bag and you draw from this bag on your turn. And here is the instruction book. So basically you play as many tiles as you can and draw that many, I think. Yep, I think that's basically it, as I recall. Each player draws 6 tiles to create his or her hand. Stand your tiles up so you can see the printed side. Look at your tiles and find the largest set that is all one colour or all one shape without duplicates. Tell the other players how many tiles are in your largest set. The player with the largest set plays those tiles to start the game. If there's a tie, the oldest player in the tie starts the game. Play proceeds clockwise. There we go. So we have the game in, well, we have the instructions in English, French, and I think that's Spanish. There we go. And now we have the hard part, getting the tiles. So these are all the tiles you get, and as you can see, I'm not going to open and look at every single one, but this is basically what it is. So red circle, red star, red 4-pointed star, elliptical square, 8-pointed star, and flower, for want of a better word. And we get that in red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. So while I'm opening it and unboxing it, I may as well it's a waste of time opening it and unboxing it if I leave everything wrapped up. Yeah, you can see these are really nice to play about with. These are wooden tiles with screen printed designs on it. Very good quality. As I said, we had a game on Friday night. There's 4 of us playing. Both me and Ali really enjoyed it, and yeah, I couldn't resist getting it. So there we are. That is Quirkle. So all that remains is me to throw all these in the bag and basically that's it. I'll store them in the bag. When it comes to playing, it's done and sorted. So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I know it's not going to be a long one, but over the coming week we are going to have some different type of unboxing, setup and gameplay video. So stay tuned for that. It's something new I'm getting into. It's something I'm getting into, shall we say. It's something that I used to play quite often when I was younger, and I've not played for a long time until going round to my daughter's a few weeks ago, and my, for want of a better word, son-in-law has got himself the setup, and it's just rekindled my interest after so long, and after playing a game with him. I couldn't resist, so I'm getting myself a new setup, and you'll find out what that is very, very soon. Well, within the next few days. In fact, saying that, it will be towards the end of the week I'll be getting it, because I'll have to order it on Wednesday when I get some pennies. So once I've ordered it and it arrives, we'll get the videos going. So there we are, that's it, as I say, for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.